Gap Networks is one of the largest IT groups in Latin America on post-sales management support, logistics, relationship and networking, and the leader in aftermarket and reverse logistics in Brazil. Its focus is to provide total solution for post-sales in all segments. The group has offices strategically located in Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Panama, Mexico and Costa Rica. With over 27 years of existence, the group has supported hundreds of national and multinational companies, providing technology services and implementing information solutions for business management. It has over 26,000 active users and is present in over 15 countries, focusing mainly on the aftermarket supply chain. Gap Networks' know-how in products, services and infrastructure integrates the supply chain and aftermarket supply chain and keeps contracts with several global companies among the largest in Asia, Americas and Europe, including call center, technical services stations and authorized services centers network, services to sales channels, back office, engineering services, management of legal cases, distribution centers, parts centers, logistic and spare parts and parts, in-field quality control, repair centers, payment of authorized service or technical assistance. In 1996, on a conference designed to standardize electrical and electronic segments after-sales services, some executives have commented that they needed to add value to their products through the implementation of services improvements. Immediately, Gap Networks had accepted the challenge. Then it laid the cornerstone of what would become the best solution for managing the aftermarket supply chain of the market, based on GAP Vantage system, GVS, which is endowed with hundreds of support tools and services. With this solution, market now has a tool that allows, in a clear and objective way, complete control over the product life cycle from production through recycling to the warranty extent. This solution was designed with different features to serve several segments, from small authorized service stations to large corporations. These applications have the most advanced technologies data in cloud. The information exchange between applications allows the formation of a large network, enabling corporate management with a vision of the product cycle life. The software allows tracking of orders from end to end, connecting all segments of the after-sales service chain. At any time and at all points of the chain, call centers agents can view work orders data as well as the different stages that they are, enabling immediate responses to calls. For cases in which the logistics and technological infrastructure presents a challenge to implement this solution, you can count on the outsourcing of the superstructure by specialized professionals, support staff whose each of the service centers can easily request help and support on-site or remotely. All this with a platform composed of a suite of applications with more than 27 years of success, winning and present in several countries. The continuous investment in research and development, always considering the social responsibility, respect for cultural diversity, and environmental preservation, ensures sustainability to perpetuation of the business, generate wealth for society, contributes to reduce social inequalities, and promotes the development of future generations. The ethical and transparent Gap Networks relationship with customers, partners, employees and suppliers is one of the pillars that support the principles and values espoused by the company. For Gap Networks does not matter the size of the challenge. The focus is always to meet customer demand that can be anything from a simple and inexpensive solution as a web page for the authorized centers enters the work order to a complete and global management system of aftermarket supply chain integrated with the company's corporate system.